What's going on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies2000s.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make $4.25 in less than 4 minutes. All right, so you see here, I've done one video question. This is the Influence app. I get paid, $1 per question most of the time when I do this app. So I'm just going to show you how I go about doing it. First, I want to show you my balance. I have $8.50. You need a minimum of $10 in order to cash out. So I'm going to go through and answer the rest of these questions. I've already answered one, so I'm going to go right into the second one. You just look at what the question is asking you to do. You click Start Task, and you record yourself answering the question. I'm going to kind of fast forward this part, but you just want to make sure you're answering the question in full. When you're done, you just go back. You can play it if you want to, re-record it. I'll just upload mine, and then wait for it to finish recording. Wait for it to finish uploading. And then once it's done, it'll take me right into the next question. So this is the second one of 4. So now I'll go into the third of 4. Again, looking at what the question is asking me and answering in the video form. It's just that simple. You get paid $1 per question for doing this. And then once that is done, I upload it. Now you probably get the rhythm of how this works so far. It's very simple. Just record yourself answering the question. So I won't go and do all of them just because I've done 2 examples, so you can kind of see how it goes. But once I've done all the questions they had available for me, I go back to my home page right here, and there's nothing for me. So basically, I have to wait for them to credit me. I had 4 questions that were each worth $1, and I had one that was 25 cents. So that's $4.25 plus the $8.50 that I had. So now my balance, if I go back to the wallet, is $12.75. Right, so it's just like that. You need a minimum of $10 in order to cash out, and I have that. So I'm going to cash out the whole thing. So when it comes to paying you, they do pay you like within minutes. So I'll just click PayPal right here and cash out. And it says it'll take 72 hours. But like I said, most of the time they pay you like within the next few minutes. So you don't have to wait forever to get your money. So it's just that simple. If you want a full tutorial on this app, I'll leave a link at the top. You can click on that video and watch kind of how I explain it a little more in depth. But I just want to show you how quick it is to make $4.25 in less than 4 minutes. All right, so I'll leave the link to download this app in the description. It is completely free. Get started with it today, and always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2000s.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.